What's going on, guys? Tony here, Crypto Richie here, hanging out with you today. And we're going to get started with basically creating a MetaMask account. So if you want to get into crypto, you need a wallet. Okay, you might have heard people talk about crypto wallets and all that, but we need a online wallet. Okay, this is not a hardware wallet. That's a different topic, but we're going to need a wallet online, and we're going to be using something called MetaMask. Okay, you're going to set this up. You're going to write down your seed phrase. Super important to keep it private, keep it safe, where it's not going to burn, and where you have a couple copies around the house or somewhere where you can always access this code. Because if you lose this seed phrase, you are not going to be able to access your money. There's no way of recovering your funds that you put into your crypto wallet. Okay, so this is creating the wallet. So let's go to your Google. Okay, you can have a Google browser, Firefox browser, Brave browser. I wouldn't recommend anything else. One of those three you could be using. So what I'm gonna do now is create a new profile, because if I click this Fox here, you're gonna see that I already have my MetaMask on this account, but we want to create a brand new account. Okay. You don't have to be signed into Google to do this. You could just have a regular Google page open, but you're going to need access to it. Okay. So just keep in mind that your wallet is going to sit in your browser. Okay. So for right now, I'm going to click on this little icon. I'm logged into one of my email accounts. Okay. But I'm going to click add over here. Okay. You could sign in to your Gmail account, okay, to your current email that you're using, or you could just create a new email account later, but you could just sign into an account, continue without an account right here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pick a simple blue color here, and then I'm going to name it Tony Crypto. Okay. And then done. Okay, boom. Now we have a brand new browser. Okay, you can switch between profiles here. So, like I said, I have a couple of profiles here. You just need a profile, and again, you could log into Google and connect this profile. Okay, so now what we're going to do is just search MetaMask wallet, right, and make sure it says MetaMask.io. I wouldn't connect with any other domain. And when working in the crypto space, you want to make sure you check your URLs, because there's a lot of scams going on and you can end up with a problem. Sorry about the bird noises. There's a lot of birds out there right now making a bunch of noises. Hopefully you don't mind. So I'm going to click this. It says metamask.io. Okay. We're going to click download. Okay. We have Chrome. So install MetaMask for Chrome. It's going to download, add to Chrome, add extension. Okay. And you can always download this MetaMask into any other browser on any other computer in the world, and you'll be fine. Okay. So once you come to this page, what you want to do after you install it, so it's installed now, is click this little puzzle thing, and then I would pin it. So it's basically pinned to your browser here. Now let's click get started. If you have a secret recovery phrase, so if you want to kind of basically re-download your previous information in your wallet, you would click import wallet, and that secret code that I was just talking about, that's where you would put it. But we're going to create a brand new wallet here. Okay. So just read this, make sure, never collect keys, address, blah, 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 never. Okay. So it's basically just secure, making sure you understand the security here. Click agree. Then here's, you're going to create a password. So I'm just going to create my quick password. Okay, they have to match. Let me write this down. Okay, and then click create. You could read the terms if you want. Okay, now it's going to give me, you could watch this video. Okay, it's basically going to tell you about it. Click next. And this is where you're going to get your secret recovery phrase. So I'm going to click this. It's going to reveal my secret phrase. It's 12 words that you're going to write down and keep super, super safe, because you could recover your wallet with this phrase on any computer, anywhere in the world, anytime. Okay, this is super, super important. This will give you access to your funds again. Okay, you could also reset the password that we just created if you know this seed phrase. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video quickly and we are going to write this down. Okay, I did it. So after you write that down, on the next step, it's going to ask you to confirm it. So you confirm it and then boom, congratulations, all done. Now you can see I have my brand new account. It shows that I have 0 Ethereum in it, 0 activity. And this is basically your account number. Okay, your account number where you're going to be receiving funds. You can send to, if people want to send you money, if you're going to move money from exchanges to here, this is where it's all happening in this account. Okay, and then here with networks, we can play on different crypto networks. Okay, there's Polygon, there's the Binance network, there's a Phantom network, there's a bunch of different networks, and we'll get into this stuff later, but for now you don't need that. So now we could just kind of cross these pages out. Okay, I'll just open up a new page because now to access your funds or to access your wallet, you just have to click this little fox here. Okay, and this is your account right here. Okay, don't worry about this not connected sign, because when you go to different stores and whatnot, and different apps online that are related to blockchain, this is where you're going to be connected. Okay, right now we're not connected to any website. So that's pretty much it in creating your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It's super, super simple on how to basically create a MetaMask wallet. Okay, now if you want to receive money, you copy this and people will send you money to this address. And remember, only ERC 721 coins can be sent to this address. Any coins that are related to Ethereum and running on the Ethereum blockchain, and there's literally thousands of coins that can end up in your wallet here. Okay. Oh, one last thing I would do is basically go to settings super quickly and go to experimental and turn on token detection and enable gas fees. This is basically the fees that you pay on Ethereum to process transactions and whatnot. Okay, so just put that on. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so it's Tony here, Crypto Richie, hanging out with you. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe. A lot of new videos on crypto going to be coming out. Just wanted to create this first step for you to create a crypto wallet where we're going to be sending money to, okay, from exchanges and whatnot. I'll see you in the next videos. Thanks. Bye.